Hello everyone, this is Sweta here. This is my second video for the chapter comparing quantities, and in this video I will be solving the questions of exercise 7.1 from Ncert textbook. Now question number 1. Find the ratio of the following. The speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. Now first of all, when you have to find the ratio, you have to first check whether the units are same for both the number or not. So here is also kilometer per hour, here is also kilometer per hour. So now you can find the ratio, and in the ratio order matters. Now so first speed of a cycle is given, so in the numerator you have to write 15 and then you have to write in the denominator 30. So the ratio will be 15 by 30. Now we can further reduce it. So if I am going to reduce, so we know that in 15 table 30 comes, so 15 times 1, 15 times 2, so it is 1 by 2. So we can say the ratio is 1:2. Now the second one, you have to find the ratio of 5 meter to 10 kilometer. But if you see here, one of the unit is in meter, one of the unit is in kilometer. So the first step is always to convert them into the same unit. So I am going to convert 10 kilometer to meter. Now it is always good to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, because when you convert bigger unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply, right? And multiplication is easier than division. So I'm going to convert 10 kilometer to meter, and we know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 10 kilometer will be 10 into 1000, which will give me 10,000 meter. Now I'm going to find the ratio. So ratio will be 5 by 10,000. And now further I can reduce it. So 5 times 1 and 5 times 2000. Okay. So it will give me 1 by 2000, and which can be written in the ratio form as 1:2000. Now the third part, 50 paise to 5 rupees. Now you have to find the ratio of 50 paise to 5 rupees. Now here also if you see, one of the unit is in paise, one of the unit is in rupees. So I'm going to convert 5 rupees in paise. Now we know that 1 rupee is 100 paise. So 5 rupees will be 5 into 100, which will give me 500 paise. So now ratio will be 50 by 500. Now I'm going to reduce it. So 50 times 1, 50 times 10. So it will give me 1 by 10, which can be further written as 1:10. So this is the ratio. Question number 2. Convert the following ratios to percentage. Now first is 3:4. If you try to recall in my first video, I have mentioned over there that to convert ratio to percentage, you have to write this ratio in fraction form like 3 by 4 and then multiply by 100 and put the percent sign. So it will be 3 by 4 into 100%. Now we have to reduce it. So we know that in 4 table, okay, 100 comes. So 4 times 1, 4 times 25. So it will be 3 into 25%, and 3 into 25 will be 75%, right? So for the first one, 3:4 ratio, the percentage is 75%. Now the second part, 2:3. So again I am going to write 2:3 as 2 by 3, and I have to multiply by 100 and we have to put the percent sign. So it will be 2 by 3 multiplied by 100%. Now I cannot reduce 3 and 100. So I am going to write it as 200 by 3%. Okay. So now from here either you convert in decimal or you write in the mixed form. So if I convert it into the mixed form, it will be 66 whole 2 by 3%. Now in the third question, 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? Now for this question, there are two methods to solve it. I have used one of the method and I want you all to comment the second method in the comment box. Clear? So here it is given 72% of 25 students are interested. So percentage of students who are interested is given as 72% and there are 25 students. So first we will find how many students are interested, right? So number of students who will be interested will be 72% of 25. Now how can I write 72%? 72% means 72 by 100, in multiply by 25. Now I am going to reduce it. So 25 times 1 and 25 times 4, and 72 by 4 will give me, if I am dividing it, I am getting 18. So from here you can see that out of 25 students, 18 students are interested in mathematics. So how many are not interested? How to find it? Just think about it. My total number of students are 25. Out of 25, 18 students are interested. So number of students who will not be interested in mathematics will be, think about it, it will be 25 minus 18. So when I subtract 25 and 18, I am going to get 7. So 7 students are not interested in mathematics. Okay, so we have to write the end statement also, as it is a word problem. So 7 students are not interested in mathematics. Now question number 4. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? So if you see in the question, percentage of win is given and how many matches they won, that also they have given, right? We have to find total how many matches did they play in all. So first of all, we will write what is given in the question. So win percentage is 40% and then number of matches they won is 10. So what I am going to do, I am going to assume that let the total number of matches they played will be X. Okay. Then what I can write? So this 10 is what? 40% of X. That value is given as 10. So now I'm going to use that relation. So according to the question, 40% of X is given as 10. Now I have to solve it. So it will be 40 by 100. 40% means 40 by 100 into X will be equal to 10. And I can simplify it. And then I can write the value of X will be 10 into 10 by 4, and 10 into 10 is 100 divided by 4, and 100 divided by 4 will give me 25. So from here I can conclude that they have played 25 matches in all. Now question number 5. If Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? So in the question it is given whatever money she was having, 75% of that she spent. And after that she has left with only 600 rupees. So what I can do, this amount is given for how much money is left. But the percentage is given for how much money she spent. So from here what I can do, first I will find what is the percentage of the money left. Isn't it? So how to find that? How to find the percentage of money she left? So that will be 100% minus 75%. So 25% of the money is left. And that value is given as 600 rupees. So again I am going to assume let the amount she was having in the beginning be X. So according to the question, 25% of X, that value is given as 600 rupees. Right? So now I'm going to solve it. So 25% means 25 by 100 multiplied by X, that this will equal to 600. Now simplify 25 times 1, 25 times 4, and from here I can get X will be 600 into 4, which is rupees 2400. So C was having 2400 rupees in the beginning. Clear? Now this is the last question of the exercise. The question says if 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? Okay. So this question is quite simple. The first part is very simple because the percentage of people who likes cricket and football is given and remaining I have to find. Isn't it? So from 100%, I have to subtract the percentage of people who like cricket and football, and I will get the percentage of people who like other games. Okay. So percentage of people like cricket is 60%, percentage of people like football is 30%. So the percentage of people like other game will be 100% minus 60% plus 30, which will give me 90%. So from here I can get 10% of the people like other games, right? Now the second part is, if the total number of people is 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. So the second part says that total number of people is 50 lakh. Now from 50 lakh, we have to find how many people like cricket, how many people like football, and how many people like other games. So we'll try to find the number of people who likes cricket first. So percentage is given, right? So we can say that number of people who like cricket will be 60% of 50 lakh, isn't it? So now we have to reduce 50 and 100. So 50 times 1, 50 times 2, and 60 divided by 2 is 2 times 1, 2 times 30. So from here I can write number of people who like cricket is 30 lakh, isn't it? Now the second part, number of people who like football. So football percentage is given 30%. So again 30% of 50 lakh. So again I am going to reduce it. So 50 times 1, 50 times 2, and 2 times 1, and then 2 times 15. So from here I can write 15 lakh people like to play football. Now last is number of people like other games. It will be 10% of 50 lakh. Again I am going to reduce it. So it will be 50 times 1, 50 times 2, then 2 times 5. So it will give me 5 lakh. Clear? Now this is the answer key which I have provided for my first worksheet. So you can cross check your answer from here. And this is the another worksheet which I have given, and I want you all to write the answers in the comment box. So that's all for today's class. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. That's all for today's class. Thank you.